Welcome to your dream retreat at 6498 Arno College Grove Road, College Grove, Tennessee. Nestled on 6.4 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds, this stunning property is a haven for families and professionals alike. The charming cabin-style main house is complemented by two cozy guest cabins, ideal for visitors or extended family members. Step outside to discover exceptional outdoor living spaces, shaded by majestic trees, ideal for entertaining or relaxing in serene privacy. Equestrian enthusiasts will love the 3-horse barns and a spacious 3-door shop, complete with a convenient laundry room. Fully fenced, this property offers both security and style. Located just minutes from top-rated schools, parks, and local amenities, with easy access to major roads, this home blends rural charm with modern convenience. Don't miss your chance to own this entertainer's paradise. Schedule a private tour today by calling us or visiting our website. Your peaceful retreat awaits.